Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem where we are given a receipt and we will need to slowly find out all the value lah. Subtotal is okay. Subtotal is pretty straightforward. It's the total of all this. This is the total price. So the working, please write it neatly. Plus $8 plus $6.80. This one have 2. Plus $4 plus $2 plus $2. And this will give me a value of $44.60. Service charge is 10% service charge. That means it's 10 over 100 of this $44.60. This will give me $4.46. And next will be the GST. Now GST in this case is 7% GST. And how do we charge? Do take note, this is something for you all to take note of. GST is represented by goods and service tax. So this means it includes both the goods and the service. So what goods are we having in this restaurant? The food lor. That means in order to calculate the GST amount, which is 7% of the goods, the goods is $44.60, and the service, which is $4.46. So this is important, that's why you will see this working here. And let's see, what value do I have? Okay, and this one will be $3, 43.42, and to write it as a working, do take note, must write into the nearest cent. $3.43. This one is to the nearest cent. And the grand total means add everything up lor. $44.60. I need to add the service. I also need to add the GST, and do take note, because this is part of the working, I don't use the rounded off value. Alright, and so this one will give me a value of $52 and 4942, and this is something to the nearest 5 cents. So I'm going to leave my final answer to the nearest 5 cents. Okay. And this is 1 cent, 10 cents, the nearest 5 cents. $52. I look at this number here. This number is closer to 50 as opposed to 45. 5 cents, 45, 50. So this one will be 50, nearest 5 cents. And for those who are not very sure what I'm talking about, I'm going to explain it using a number line at the side here. So right now we have either $52.45. And the next 5 cents that we add on will be $52.50. That means we always increase by 5 cents. And our value here is actually at this point here, which is $52.4942. So it's closer to $52.50. Alright? With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here, always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.